Looking for Placide.
Placide. Gardez ici, là.
Dodo, ti, petite maman. Dodo, ti, petite
C'est vous-même. Continuez. Placide,
c'est ou
gardez
pas
là.
dodo, kabla va manger. C'est ou pas dodo, kabla va manger. Maman ou pas là, les aller dans ma papa ou pas là.
Umnaza. Iwan. You Placide? Want to talk to your boss?
He's our old man.
I want to talk to Brigitte.
But they send you to me.
And you'll tell me more about the job.
Yes, but not here. Follow me.
Where we headed?
This way.
Tournez notre villa. Nous c'est Pacifica.
All that.
Welcome to Pacifica. You know Pacifica well?
Nah. You guys aren't exactly great at rolling out the welcome mat for outsiders.
Was to be its own city as suits were burned there it is. A close second. They folks feed the sheep, they speak the cash back out. All the toys here are won from Coco Cash. Our interest is now in the GIM. Employment Billion Mall. Pacifica's biggest, ugliest temple to breed. But never finished. Until last week it was deserted. Empty.
And now?
The animals drowned there, made a nest.
Deuxième.
Ça c'est beau. Faut donc
Merci.
Let's go.
Francis, o que é o menino?
Ah, son Dieu.
Mais o Teddy?
Putain, il me lève, me battre lire. You deal with animal before?
Yeah. A few times. You want the animals out of the gym? Extinct? That way you hired me?
You learn everything soon.
I mean, it makes no sense them being here. Middle of Pacifica. No backup, cut off. It's your turf. Hell, even badgers don't patrol around here. They're trying to provoke you? Make you do something stupid?
They do not leave GIM.
How many we talking about in there?
Teddy, maybe more. Kimina, we not here. You said.
When do I see Brigitte?
You do jump. That is fast.
Whoa, what the hell are you doing?
But at least he's not likely to talk your ears bloody.
Evelyn Parker. Ring a bell?
Not one of us.
She did work for you once. Get a feeling we're not gonna become best friends. No chemistry.
I will survive.
Why not send your own goons to the gym?
This not our way.
Has that been working out for you?
What good modern pie. Your cone shaman, it is later?
You two know each other?
No need. This hardware is shit you should replace.
Oh, so now you're a Ripperdoc deal? You know what? Fuck this.
You think you're free? Can just stand and walk away?
Remember why we're here, V. No denying the guy's a fucking tool, but we need him. Can't find alt without a little voodoo.
Finished. We can continue? This chip I see, it have no signature. What is it?
Chick's why I'm here. Why I want a word with Brigitte. Doesn't look at all familiar.
It's you? Why? I see only it is damaged.
Got a bullet to the brain. Hasn't worked since, that's how. Once inside, what do I do?
The document. 2035-07. 3 seconds before, poof. We try to learn where the calumet come from.
Ben's definitely a custom job.
I see you not know also.
Hey, just trying to piece facts together. You record all this on your own?
Local cam signals, cocksats, we capture to all.
But from inside the gym squad, right? Tuck looks pretty advanced. Doesn't scream meathead to me.
They watch it very close. It is important whatever it
Placide.
is.
Batman Kelly ap desen ankoy.
Lieutenant Bowser,
Time for a break? Think you might be needed.
you and Mom is fine. You focus.
Animals aren't the play here, are they? They're hired muscle. Someone else needed them. Someone with a van full of net runner tech. And that's where I come in? To sniff out who?
Yeah. Start with the calumet. Hide from all eyes. Only see the city as you. You are now simply so hardware, assembly.
Why, what for?
You are my vessel now. Do I see what you see? You want you here. I will guide you to GIM.
Another voice in your head. Just what the Ripper Doc ordered.
We know who the runner inside is. What he wants.
Yes, I hope you tell me.
So, aim to keep an eye on me. Shows trust. Alright. Anything else I should know?
Find out people named more. They will show you how to get inside the beast.
My pay. How much we talking, and how am I gonna collect?
Answer you not in this for cash. You in this for problem. Do GIM for us, we shit can solve it.
Aha. Sec then I found out you need me to be a bullet trap on enemy turf. That means why fees just gone up.
You will see. No promise.
Got it. So I do this and you put me in front of Brigitte, right?
Yes. So to the end of the hall. Go down, my people will let you pass. We are done.
None too fond of strangers here, are ya?
People like you. Stick out.
Meaning, best watch it.
Wise.
Brigitte even know we're supposed to meet? Or did you cook this deal up all by yourself?
You speak with Sheffield when time is right.
So, Voodoo Boys. Why? Don't seem to believe in voodoo.
Don't know. Ask those who told us this.
Mean to say you call yourselves something else? And you ain't gonna tell me, are ya? Right.